why, we don't know. We don't know why there are three sets. I mean, for example, one of the most wonderful examples is that, so how many matter particles are there in the Standard Model? So to make up you and me, so what's the minimal description of us? It's up quarks, down quarks, and electrons. That's it. And the up quarks and down quarks make the protons and neutrons, which sit inside the atomic nucleus, and the electrons go around to make the atoms, and that's it, right? 3 ingredients, basically. And there's another one called the electron neutrino, of which there are a lot streaming through our head now from the nuclear reactions in the sun. So the 4 things, that's it. Now, it turns out that there are also 2 copies of that set. So there's a thing called the charm quark and the strange quark, and a muon and a muon neutrino. So the muon, for example, it's a heavy electron. It's identical in every way except it's heavier. And then there's another set, the top quark and the bottom quark, and the tau neutrino. So 3 sets of these things. But so there will be a reason why there are only those 3 families, but we don't know what it is. There are a lot of things that we don't know. We don't fully understand the Higgs particle at all. And it's a remarkable new property of nature, a new kind of thing in nature. But exactly how that works, whether and why. So we know that it gives masses to the fundamental particles, at least in the Standard Model, that's its job. But why it gives the masses to them, so why is the electron the mass that it is? In the Standard Model, you say because it interacts in this way with the Higgs field. And you go, why does it do that? And we say we don't know why it does that. So there are a lot of things in the Standard Model that you have to measure. And so it's not a theory of everything by any sense.
How come it doesn't contain gravity?
Thing. Well, so now you're asking about a quantum theory of gravity.
Yeah.
And Einstein,
up with it.
Einstein spent the last 20 or 30 years of his life trying to find such a thing. So I interviewed. It was an honor actually. I interviewed Roger Penrose a few weeks ago and chatted to him about these things. And Roger Penrose is one of the greats of the 20th and 21st century. He got the Nobel Prize for his work on black holes.